Welcome to the ActiveXperts software instruction videos. In this video, we show you how to install ActiveXperts Network Monitor. ActiveXperts Network Monitor continuously monitors your network for failures and irregularities. It monitors all types of servers, workstations, devices, applications, and more. The software runs in the background as a Windows service. To download, go to the product home page and click on the download button. Continue with the CAPTCHA and start the download. After the download is complete, you will find the installer executable in the Downloads folder. Click on the installer executable to start the installation. Your first installation is always an engine installation. This installs the engine that does the actual monitoring. You can later choose to install the management console software on other workstations or servers as well. Such a remote management console connects to the central engine. Enter your license key or use free to use a full functioning version with limited checks. Choose the location for all your program data. This is where configuration data, scripts, and other dynamic data is stored. Choose the location for all your program binaries. These files are static, read-only program executables. Click Next 2 times to start the installation. The ActiveXperts Network Monitor Engine service runs like any Windows service under a Windows account. If you want to monitor servers and workstations in a Windows domain, it is advisable to use Domain Admin account. At the end of the installation, launch the Manager application. This is the GUI interface and provides the ability to configure the checks and all options. To learn how to configure ActiveXperts Network Monitor, watch the configuration tutorial video. Thank you for watching this video. Find more videos on the ActiveXperts Network Monitor instruction videos page.